Hi guys, I'm Alex.
And I'm Cam.
And welcome back to this week's Walmart item of the week. This week's item is going to be this Reebok's 20-pound weighted vest.
With this 20-pound weighted vest, it's going to be very good for people that like to do body weight or calisthenic exercises but want to progress a little harder. Since it adds 20 pounds to your body, you can do a multitude of bodyweight exercises such as push-ups, pull-ups, planks, and whatever else you can think of to add a little extra degree of difficulty to the workouts. We'll go ahead and show you guys a few of those workouts that you can try out.
Perfect.
Now that we have taken the weighted vest out of its box, Cam is doing some different types of movements. Step up your workouts with this Reebok's 20-pound weighted vest, perfect for squats, planks, and sit-ups. It helps build strength, power, and endurance with adjustable straps for a custom fit and a reflective element for safety. It's built to push your limits anytime, anywhere.
Once again, I'm Alex.
And I'm Cam.
And today's Walmart item of the week is this 20-pound Reebok weighted vest. Go out to your local Walmart and give it a try.